My Academic Plan, or MAP, is a free web-based career information and decision-making system created by Iowa State University to meet the mandates set forth in House File 2392 and Iowa Code 279, Chapter 61. When a student comes to MAP for the first time, they will create an account. This account can be connected to their school-issued Google Apps for Education account for easy access and password recovery. For purposes of this demo, we will use a pre-existing account. Once the account has been created, MAP will ask the student to identify the middle school they are currently enrolled in and their intended high school. This allows the system to automatically load your high school's course offerings based upon the most recent winter student reporting in Iowa data. MAP is divided into 4 consecutive steps: career exploration, course planning, college and career readiness, and beyond high school. Each section of MAP contains step-by-step videos to assist the student through each portion of the system. During the career exploration step, students will be able to explore their own unique values, interests, and skills and see how they best match up with the world of work. In this particular section, the student will complete a work values assessment and a career interest inventory. Then they will select a career cluster based on the results from the assessment and inventory. Each of these systems open within MAP. If a cluster contains a V or I next to the listing, this indicates that the cluster aligns most closely with the student's values, interest, or both. Once a career cluster option is selected, then a student must select a pathway, which leads to a career. Students may hover over any of the clusters and pathways to gain more insight into that particular item. Once the career exploration step is complete, a sample high school schedule will be provided, which is tailored specifically to the student's career pathway. This sample schedule represents only the minimum level of preparation necessary for the desired pathway. So this page also includes the optimum recommendations for students considering college. While the course titles listed in the sample schedule are generic, students may hover over any of these course titles to see the actual courses offered at their high school, which correspond to them. The second step of MAP is the actual course planning. This section is broken into the following subject areas: English, science, math, social sciences, world languages, and electives. A student will simply drag and drop their intended coursework into the corresponding grade in which they plan to take the course. A course marked with a grad cap indicates the course counts towards the Iowa Regent Admission Index. A course marked with a star indicates that the course relates to their intended career. These are typically found in the electives section. Once all courses for all subject areas have been entered, a schedule will appear. The student will have the option of printing this schedule and taking it home for parent or guardian approval if required by the school. The third step of MAP is determining college and career readiness. In this section, a student can drag the slider left to right to estimate their high school GPA as well as the ACT composite score they hope to achieve. As the slider is moved, the college and career readiness score will change. These interactive features help students understand before they enter high school the importance of doing as well as possible in the classroom. The fourth and final step of MAP is exploring options beyond high school. In this section, the student can explore the occupation they selected. They will see the current outlook for the career, potential earnings, and other valuable information. They are also able to explore which institutions offer their particular major or training program. Once a student has completed all of the steps in MAP, they will be provided with a summary page that summarizes all of the information they determined in MAP. This page also has the option of being printed and taken home for parent or guardian approval if necessary. Finally, MAP is not a one-time exercise. Following the summary page is a dashboard that will appear every time a student returns to MAP and signs in. This page allows the student to update their scores or courses, re-explore their interests, values, and skills, as well as their career choice and education or training options, generate reports and forms, discover tips for improving their ACT score, GPA, or college and career readiness score, as well as take advantage of additional resources to help them further explore their post-high school options.